hair looks like this morning. It is, I believe, day 4 after washing my hair. It was raining all day yesterday, so I actually did use quite a bit of hairspray yesterday, and when it does that, it tends to clump all into just a couple of clumps, like my whole, this is all my hair here. I don't have any hair in the back, just one little piece. But see, this whole side is basically clumped here into one big curl, and it's really, like, let me show you what it looks like in the back. It's very greasy and flat here. So normally what I do is just put some dry shampoo and kind of like pull it to the side here, and I'll do like one of my hairstyles that I have on my videos. It's just like a ponytail, or I'll put it up into like a side bun. But I actually feel like wearing my hair down today, and so I decided it would be a good time to show you how I refresh my hair when it looks pretty bad. So the first thing I'm going to do is use some of my Briogeo dry shampoo in my roots. So I'm just going to puff it out. It's like really low into the areas that need, see there, some volume and that are like really greasy. Flip my head and do like this as well. And then I just keep doing that, and I just rub it in, flip my head over, and keep rubbing it around until I feel like it's absorbed most of the oil and it's given me some volume. I have distributed it everywhere. You see that it's made a bit of a difference in the volume. So now I'm going to work on actually defining the curls a little better, getting rid of the frizz. So for the last wash day, I used raw curls since I knew it was going to be raining, and raw curls tend to work a little better in the humidity. So all I'm going to use is just water and the gel, the raw curls gel. And what I like to do is just wet my hands. Just put a little bit of water in my hands, and then I put a very small amount of gel, like a pea-sized amount. And then I emulsify it. I'm going to split my hair. And then I kind of just run my hands through, smoothing it down. Do a little bit of praying hands, which looks like you're praying. Make sure that I smooth down the frizz up here. Okay, so you can see that already that has smoothed it down. But now I want to go in and finger coil any curls that need a little extra help. So to do that, I'm just going to re-wet my hands like I did before and get a smaller amount of gel. Okay, like even tinier, because I'm not going to do it on a lot of my hair. And then I'm just going to look for any pieces that need some recoiling. I especially get frizz here in the fronts and right around my ear. So here I'll do this. This piece I'm going to split up because it's like a really big clump. Let me get a little more water. And then I'm just going to do a quick scrunch up. so I'm done with this side. You can see now what it looks like compared to this side that's still quite frizzy. So now I'm just going to do the same thing to this side. I finished this side, but I found a knot in this curl. So I want to show you what I do is I just re-wet my hands and then I kind of just comb it out to get the knot out as best as I can. You can see now. So I'm just trying to get the knot out. This one's quite stubborn. Okay, so look at what that did to my hair. It's a total disaster. I'm gonna wet my hands again and just comb it with my fingers to smooth it back down. And since it has the product in it already, I'm just gonna finger coil it now that the knot is gone. Let it recurl. Scrunch it back up and leave it alone. So now I'm gonna let it dry. I'll probably diffuse it for a few minutes and then scrunch out the crunch. Okay, this is what it looks like after I diffuse. It's really crunchy on this side since this side I wet a little bit more. So I'm just gonna scrunch it out now. Okay, so I'm done scrunching it out. There's a couple of still pieces that are still a little wet, so I don't want to fully scrunch it out yet, like this curl. So I'm gonna leave that alone for now while it dries. But let me just show you what it looks like. So you can see that this flat spot that I have now is hidden. Okay, still doesn't have quite the volume that I get unwashed to, but it's got good definition. There's really no frizz anywhere. So I'm gonna fluff it a little bit more, and that's it. Okay, so here is the finished look. I finished scrunching out the part that was dry or wet that I wanted to wait to dry to scrunch out the crunch. But here so you can see. Okay. So that is my refreshing technique for when I do refreshes, which is not very often. Like I said before, it's very rare that I do this. But if I do need to fix my hair, this is usually what I do. So let me know if you give it a try how it works for you.